I hope that you don't think I'm rude, but I wanna make out with you. And I'm a little awkward, sure, but I could touch my face to yours. Oh, and no one ever called me smooth, but I just wanna see the grooves between your hands, your teeth. Oh, tell me, do you think about me? I just wanna kiss you, and even if I miss you, at least I'll know what it's like to have held your hand. Oh, no, hey. Bad ideas, hey. I know where they lead, but I got too many to sleep, and I can't get enough. No, I wanna kiss you standing up. Oh no. And if tomorrow makes me low, will it be worth it just to know? 'Cause I can't get enough. No, I wanna kiss you standing up. Oh. I don't know what compels me to do the very thing that fails me. I wake up still high on you, but by the night I'm crashing through. So I'd wanna kiss you, even though I miss you. Guess I just wanna know what it would feel like. I know, oh, hey. Bad ideas, hey. I know where they lead, but I got too many to sleep, and I can't get enough. No, I wanna kiss you standing up. Oh no. And if tomorrow makes me low, will it be worth it just to know? 'Cause I can't get enough. No, I wanna kiss you standing up. Oh, it's a bad look on me, and if I'm talking honestly, it takes everything I got not to text. And I just want a kiss to get me through, 'cause now all my bed sheets smell like you. So if you think you miss